Yes guys, we're walking to put up some posters, and if you see them, yeah, just know say come support the thing like the date August the 26th. That's the last Saturday in August. Be there. The menu is diverse. We have from chicken wings down to steak. We have fish, we have pork, we have cake, shell bar, everything you can think of, we have it, right?
Hey, you with me, baby, you know this straight up. Violator get a head bust like cake cut. Love you, baby. What do them? You think I chatting?
Hey,
yeah, guys, I want to see the straps, I want to know the straps, I want to know what I want.
You just cut me off, so right? Come along with us a day in our life putting up some posters. So yes guys, we are walking around our scheme to put up some poster. Be sure to follow us on TikTok. We have a whole lot of content. Oh, over there. Why? It just dropped, guys. Yes. A beer smoke. So yes guys, we're walking to put up some posters, and if you see them, yeah, just know say come support the thing like the date August the 26th. That's the last Saturday in August. Be there. The menu is diverse. We have from chicken wings down to steak. We have fish, we have pork, we have cake, shell bar, everything you can think of, we have it, right? So as I say guys, come guys, them have smoke and it had choked me. Yes, so I'm say so yes, as I said, come out and support the event. All this love, all this now. See this money I walk away left me, and I walk away, I'ma have everything. So what you have to say?
Yes guys, I want to see the movements, I want to see what I want. You can draw near and near every day.
Today is the 22nd of July. So if you're seeing this video, yeah, drop it down when you saw this video. What you have to say?
I have much to say now. So I'm going to put up them poster here and call it at the evening, because by your queen tonight, so it's fast and quick.
Yes guys, and if you see behind us, the sky is a little bit droopy, so you know say it's evening time. So we're gonna put up this. Me I walking on the road, don't want to carry me down, so forward.
5 minutes later.
Yes guys, so as you see, the night kind of come down, but we are still here trying to get these posters up. My lovely there putting up. So when you see the poster, you protect the poster and you come out, come support the event, right? Alright, cool. And roadside. So yes guys, so it's officially night time now, and we're still putting up some posters. Yes, as we say, come out, support the event, and just come have fun, right? Yes guys, so we are down on the last poster. That's my lovely there putting it up. I don't know if you can hear me because we are to the roadside, so I don't know if you can hear, but hopefully you can. Mosquito guys. See me I look around, right? So yes, as I say, you know, we're just out here chilling, enjoying the cool breeze. Tonight is a lovely night and the breeze is cool. Can't complain about that. But on a different note though, how has everything been? Because it's been hectic, hot, tiring, and just living responsibilities and bills, right? Can't get away from that. But for the most part, we are just grateful and thankful. Yeah, I see one car reverse and I don't know where it's going, but it was heading towards us, so I was just making sure that we were secure, right? So yeah, as I was saying,
so that we don't know for the night, so we're gonna put up, you know, the thing, a mosquito bite, as you can see. So call it a day and hope to see you guys soon.
Alright guys, so you know where to find us, King and Ali, on YouTube, and you have our socials. So bye for now. Bye.
If you famous and wealthy, money there you plenty, culinary chef plus music no envy. Bang, bang, boom. Yeah man, I may see a girl king I represent for King and Ali. Them 4th annual wings and cake link up called the appetizing dessert. Yeah, man, August the 26th to Mrs. to this. Yeah, so we have wings, 1500. Original, barbecue, guava, melon, candied pineapple, teriyaki, spicy chili. Yeah, man, we have all pork chops too. 2,500. Barbecue, pineapple, spicy chili. How we left out the fish for the pescatarians them? Escovitch, brown stew, jerk and steam. We have the big bad T-bone steak for only $5,000. Ginger balsamic, pan-seared, grilled. Yeah, man, we have all cake too. $1,200. Coconut and plain. And remember, every order go with a side of coleslaw and ice cream, along with a side of your choice. Now we are going to move over to the big bad sides them. We have coleslaw, we have fries, we have polenta cake, banana croquettes, bami, plantain tostones, breadfruit tostones, jerk plantain, festival and cheesy potato balls. We have the combo them. Wings combo, 2.5. Fish combo, 3.5. Pork chops, 3.5. Steak combo, 6.5. Yeah, man, and the big bad special cheesy potato ball, 2.5. Yeah, man, come shell the bar. You know the chefs go right at Daytona, August the 26th. Yeah, man. And if you want a number 2, we have it at 829-9187. If you don't want to place the order, just call, WhatsApp, anything at all. Yeah, man, so just write us so the niceness there. Yes, so nice, nowhere else. Bang, bang, boom.